Hey everyone, it's Anna from For Real. Stop struggling with websites acting up on your iPhone or iPad. Today, I'm going to show you how to disable JavaScript in Safari on your iPhone or iPad in just about 3 minutes. It's a simple fix that can sometimes solve annoying browsing problems or give you more control. If you've ever had a web page that just won't load properly, is covered in distracting elements, or you're a developer needing to test a site without scripts, you know how frustrating it can be. Sometimes, JavaScript is the culprit, and knowing how to quickly manage your Safari settings on iPhone or iPad is key. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to disable JavaScript in Safari. It's easier than you think. This can be a great troubleshooting step or just give you a cleaner browsing experience on certain sites. Let's get started. Okay, step 1. First, you need to open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. It's that familiar gray icon with the cogs. Step 2. Find Safari settings. Now, once you're in settings, you'll need to scroll down. Keep scrolling until you see the list of your installed apps. Look for Safari in this list and tap on it. On some older iOS versions, or if you have many apps, you might find a main apps section first, then Safari within that. But typically, it's in the main settings list. Step 3, go to Advanced Settings. All right, you're now in the Safari-specific settings. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of this menu. You're looking for an option called Advanced. Tap on that. Wait, quick pause. If you're finding this tutorial helpful for managing your iPhone browsing control, please give this video a quick like. It really helps others find it and lets me know you want more tips like this. Okay, back to it. Step 4. Toggle JavaScript off. You're almost there. In the Advanced menu, you'll see an option for JavaScript with a toggle switch next to it. By default, this is usually on green. To disable it, simply tap the toggle. It will turn gray or white, indicating JavaScript is now off for Safari. This is how you effectively turn off JavaScript on your iPad or iPhone. A quick tip: if you ever need to turn JavaScript back on, perhaps some websites require it to function fully. Just follow these same steps and tap the toggle again to switch it back to green. Easy. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to disable JavaScript in Safari on your iPhone or iPad. No more wrestling with uncooperative sites when a quick toggle can help. This is a handy tool for Safari troubleshooting. If you found this tutorial useful and want more tips on getting the most out of your Apple devices or other tech, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on future For Real videos. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today, and let me know in the comments. Are there other Safari settings or iPhone, iPad features you'd like to see a tutorial on? I'm always looking for new ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.